Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're making a spicy Escovitch fish from heaven. You guys are truly gonna love this one. I'll give you the ingredients on screen so you can make it for yourself. Alright guys, so welcome back to the channel. I know you guys have been missing us for a little while. So in order for you to make this Escovitch fish, you'll need some basic ingredients. You'll need a very strong powdered seasoning. Personally, this one here, I made it myself. It's just garlic powder, black pepper, salt, pepper, and some all-purpose seasonings. I use it to coat my fish. And here I'll be frying it until it becomes crispy. Then I'll pour over some hot Escovitch sauce onto it. And that's basically it. It's very simple to make. So in order for you to make the Escovitch sauce yourself, you'll need some vinegar, you'll need some peppers, onions and carrot. You'll also need some crushed pimento, some sugar, and some salt and pepper and some all-purpose seasoning. So you're gonna combine all of those and you're gonna let it boil, bring it to a boil, let it cool down, and then the liquid that you get from this, you're going to pour it onto your fish. And that's how you make Escovitch fish. You see how simple it is? It's not rocket science. You guys can try this for yourself and you'll see how wonderful your dish turns out.